Hello, ụtụtụ ọma nụ, ka ekunu mere. Ama m na arụ dị onye ọbụla. Ọ Maazị Sunday na-ekwu. N'izuụka gara aga, agwara m unu na anyị ga-amalite ịmụ ka esi eji ngwa eme ahịrịokwu. Last week, I told you we're going to start learning how to use verbs to make sentences. In Igbo, we call verb ngwa. Ngwa. So the first verb we're going to learn how to use is the verb to go. The verb to go, it means ịga or ije. Now we're going to conjugate these verbs. Conjugation here means we're going to put it in different tenses so that when you want to make sentence with any of the verb in any tense, you will not find it difficult. For instance, to go is in the infinitive form. To go, iga or ije. Then in the present tense, we have ga or je, let's go. In the past tense, we have gara or jere, that is went. Present continuous tense, we have naga or neje, that is going. Future tense, we have gaga or geje, that is will go. Past perfect, we have agago or ejego, that is has gone. Then this, when you now have the negative sentences, negation, we have agagi or ejegi, that is did not go. Anagi aga or anagi eje, it's not going. Agagi aga or agagi eje will not go. Agabegi or ejebegi has not gone. Now these are the different conjugations of the verb to go, iga or ije. Remember, we have ga or je, that is go, gara or jere, that's went, naga or neje, that is going, gaga or geje, that is will go, agago or ejego, that is has gone, agagi or ejegi, that is did not go, anagi aga or anagi eje, that is will not go, agabegi or ejebegi, that is has not gone. Now before you can make a full sentence, you also need an object. And here in the verb to go, the object here has to do with the places you can go to. So you can go to ụlọ akwụkwọ. Ụlọ akwụkwọ means school. You can go to ụlọ ọgwụ, which is hospital. You can go to ụlọ akụ, which is bank. You can go to ụlọ ọrụ. Ụlọ ọrụ is office. You can go to ahịa. Ahịa is market. You can go to ama egwuregwu. Ama egwuregwu is field or playground. You can go to ụlọ ụka. Ụlọ ụka is church. You can go to ebe ọbụla. Ebe ọbụla means anywhere. Anywhere could mean a particular place like Asaba, ShopRite, Onitsha, London, America, Australia, anywhere. You can go to anywhere. So before, when you're using the verb to go, you have to tell us where you're going to, as the case may be. Now let's look at a few sentences. To make a simple sentence with these verbs, you use a subject, which could be a name or a pronoun, followed by the verb and the place you're going to. Amomato. Now what we're saying here is, for you to make a simple sentence, you need to have a subject. A subject is the doer of the action in a sentence. And a subject here could be a person's name or a pronoun. Then you have the verb. The verb is what describes the type of action we're talking about here. And then we have the object. The object is the receiver of the action. So we have Emeka jere ahịa. Emeka went to the market. Chima ga-eje ụlọ akwụkwọ. Chima will go to school. Amanda agago London. Amanda has gone to London. So you can say you can use any of the verb in the different tenses to make sentences properly. Let's look at another verb. The verb Igbo. Igbo means to read. To read. Go means read. Goro, read. Nago is reading. Gago will read. Agugo has read. Agoi did not read. Anaghị is not reading. Agaghị will not read. Agubei has not read. Now, these are the different conjugations of the verb ego. Take it one more time. Ego, go, guru, that's read. Nago is reading. Gago will read. Agugo has read. Agogi did not read. Anayago is not reading. Agayago will not read. Agubei has not read. Now, let's look at the things you can read. Of course, you cannot read nothing. So we have akwụkwọ, book. Abụ, song. Newspaper or akwụkwọ akụkọ, newspaper. Letter or akwụkwọ ozi, letter. Ihe means something. Sometimes you don't want to tell someone what you're reading. You can just say, I'm reading something. So in that case, ihe means something. Ihe niile, you can read everything. Ihe niile means everything. And then there are other things I didn't put here which you can as well read. So let's make a few sentences now. Chike na-agụ letter. Chike is reading letter. Amarachi agaghị agụ akwụkwọ. Amarachi will not read book. Rukewe agụgo newspaper. Rukewe has read newspaper. So you can see it follows the same order. The order of the subject, the verb, and the object. Chike na-agụ akwụkwọ. Amarachi agaghị agụ akwụkwọ. Rukewe agụgo newspaper. Now you have your work for me. Your work is use any two conjugations from each of the two verbs discussed to make sentences. Now we discussed the verb iga or ije, which means to go, and we discussed the verb igo, which means to read. And I gave you their conjugations. Each of them has at least 10 conjugations, that is 10 tenses. So you will go and take 2 tenses from each. Don't use the one I already used in example. 2 tenses from each and make sentences with them. I hope that is clear enough. Daalụnụ.